Alright, hey, this is Hans coming at you with another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today I've got something that's been causing a bit of a stir, no pun intended. I've got something from New Zealand. This is a box of, well, let's have a look. Okay, here we go. Yep, so what do we have here? Not one, but two of the new Culley's World's Hottest Ramen Noodles. Now, I have a top 10 list of the world's hottest instant noodles around, and these are new to me. I don't know if they were out the last time I did a list, but I'm gonna give these a serious try. Established in 1975, cool, so was I. This is made with a Carolina Reaper pepper. You know, I think probably the best thing to do is to see what we get in this box. You get this. So what do we, oh boy. So a very small block of instant noodles. This if I'm really going for it, I could eat pretty quick. And then this looks to be some kind of vegetable mix. And then we've got this sucker, which I hear is just a pouch of Carolina Reaper mash, which that's what's gonna do you in right there. Let's see the instructions really quick. 250 mils of water, place ramen noodles in the bowl. Open Smokin' Ed's Carolina Reaper sachet and pour over noodles. Be careful not to get any on your hands or in your eyes. Sprinkle dried vegetable sachet over the noodles. Add the boiling water and let sit 3 to 4 minutes until the noodles are soft. Enjoy the burn from all the team at Culley's, New Zealand. Cool. One thing I've been really curious about with this is the ingredients. I mean, if this is pepper mash, I'm really doubting that I'm gonna see any kind of just like pepper extract. We've got noodles made of wheat flour, water, egg powder, salt and stabilizer, natural color with turmeric. Interesting. So we've got noodles, and then below it we have ramen. I'm guessing they mean broth by that. Smokin' Ed's Carolina Reaper chili, New Zealand grown. Miso paste, water, soy sauce, gluten-free. Worcester sauce, gluten and seafood free. Brown rice syrup, ginger, garlic, sesame oil, and 5 spice. So this right here is not just straight pepper mash. That's kind of a relief, honestly, but it's the first on the list, so it's probably gonna be pretty mean. And as far as the vegetable mix, we have red bell pepper, carrot, freeze-dried sweet corn, celery root, onion flakes, dried garlic, and dried tomato. Yeah, I really like the packaging. You know, when I was gonna do my own instant noodle, I wanted to do a box, and I really like how they've done this box. This is top-notch, very cool. And yeah, I'm looking on here, and if you want to eat the whole package, it looks like the whole thing is 297 calories, 10 proteins, not even 2 grams of fat, lots of carbs, obviously. They're noodles, about 3 grams of sugar, and only 665 milligrams of sodium. So there you have it. And you will be seeing me giving this a try. I'm gonna do this on a day without Miles, just because, yeah, I have a feeling this is gonna be pretty violent stuff, and he's 3. I'm gonna be nice, you know? So I'm sure the makers of this product probably would rather I did not expose a 3-year-old to it in a thing that I'm doing, showing off their product. So anyways, well, cool. Thank you to Mr. Cullen from New Zealand. Asked me if I'd want to try it. And of course I said yes, so he shot these over. Thank you very much. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. I'll put a link in below where you can get these on Amazon. And yeah, have a good one. Bye.